How to solve 4 power k is equal to 1 by k. Find the value of k. So we have 4 power k is equal to 1 by k. Now we multiply by power of 1 by k in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by k, multiply by power of 1 by k. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n. That means it will be mn. So according to this formula, I can write here 4 power of k times 1 by k then is equal to 1 by k bracket power of 1 by k. Now we see this k will be cancelled. So we have 4 power 1 is same as 4 is equal to 1 by k bracket power of 1 by k. Now let 1 by k is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 4 is same as 2 power 2. Now here I can apply this rule a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here y will be equal to 2. But remember that let 1 by k is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 by k is equal to 2. Now here I can apply cross multiply. So I can write here k multiply by 2, that means it will be 2k is equal to 1 multiply by 1, that means it will be 1. Here 2 is same as 2 by 1. So k times 2, it will be 2k is equal to 1 times 1, that means 1. Now we need the value of k. So I divided by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. So we have k will be equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, this is the value of k. So this is our how to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now we can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so divided by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y. So this is our final answer.